up? Hi guys, Mango here and welcome back to Ratchet Clank. This is literally a back-to-back episode because why not? And I think, I thought maybe because it's a tree stump I might do it. So, yeah, this is a back-to-back episode and I just got some more bomb gloves. I really enjoyed doing that episode last episode. Yeah. And hopefully hopefully we're going to enjoy this. And hopefully you're going to enjoy this too, because that's totally weird. I mean, that's totally not weird. I mean, I don't know. I'm smiling now. And laughing. How is that possible, you may ask? Because I'm laughing. And everybody, where is this going? Anyway, I see big palace gateway thingy. I must climb big palace gateway thingy and get to where I think I'm supposed to. Oh wait, no, this is where I came from last episode. I came down here and started doing that back. Okay, never mind. Doing. Boing. How dare you zoom away from me? And you? Stop. Oh, trying to hide from me, are you? I got more bomb gloves than you. See, I did this last episode, didn't I? Yeah. How am I supposed to go then? My bomb gloves. I know I could be destroying all the people's, but well, all those robots, but I'm not going to. Wait, am I supposed to go inside this thing? Or have I gone the completely wrong way? Gotta wait for me to find that. Here we go. Turned out I had to go up this weird lift thing that we actually came up last episode. Can I break this? Oh. Can I get this? Yes, please. What? Oh, no. I want this thing. This thing. Yes. Oh, I need the ammo for this. Okay.
So, you gonna buy something or what?
Yes. Okay. So I have a flamethrower now. Coolio. With 200 something ammo. I still only get bomb glue for it. Okay, here we go. Sorry that took me so long to figure out where I was supposed to go, but yeah. Here. Okay. hopefully I've gone the right way. Yeah. Planet Kerwin. Yeah, I've not been here before. Cutscene? No. Yeah, I've definitely not been here before. Maybe I think this is where I'm supposed to go.
I got some great bargains for you.
I can't get that, sorry. Sorry dude, but I can't give you your money, my money. Is this a...
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Okay, so I've got to get to that island, as he said, and it's over there. Can I just go up here? No, I cannot just go up there. Do I have to talk to that dude again? Or can I go up here? No, that's not the way. Ah. Never mind. False alarm. I've got to talk. Wait, no. Here we go. I gotta go up here. Up here. I don't need Captain Claw or whatever his name is. Sorry if I got it. How do I do this? Oh, like that. Of course. Oh. That hurt. Can I, like, buy health? Don't you dare. Okay. Then I've got this thing. Boom. Break these boxes. Yes. Oh, that's well cool. I have not done this bit before. Ever. So I'll just leave my... No, because I've got it in my hand, but... Wait, does he use an axe that has a... like a spanner with him? An oversized spanner? Because if so, then... Cool. Oh, you're going to be a funny, are you? You're trying to make me laugh. Well, it's not making me laugh. If that's what's going on here, it's not working. Go, go, go. Yes. Okay. No. Boom. Okay, and yes. Yes.
These moving walls also functions jump slots. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls.
I don't care. I mean, jump slots and cool or anything. I mean, are cool and everything, but like, I don't need to know about it. I already knew that was going to happen. Oh yes, look at those skills. See, I knew all of this was coming because I just did, really. And by the way, I haven't played this far, if I haven't already said.